Hey, you dusty-faced trailblazer. Imagine this. You're standing at the crossroads, much like the pioneers of old. They faced rugged terrain, unknown dangers, and endless challenges, but they persevered. Why? Because they had a vision of something better. Now, I'm not asking you to pack up your wagon and go pan for gold. Though, wouldn't that be fun? What if I told you there was a way to grow your business and create a stream of income that works even when you're not, without trading all your time for money? Let's saddle up, partner, and talk about how digital products can revolutionize your business. I'm Karen, and I've been in the trenches of business, from construction sites to therapy offices. I've been right in the struggles, the hustles, and the grind. But I've also learned how to turn the knowledge I've gained into a steady stream of income. And now I'm here to help you do the same thing. Step 1, discover your hidden treasures. Think about yourself as an explorer. Somewhere in that head of yours is a goldmine of knowledge and expertise. Maybe it's the tricks that you've mastered in your trade, the lessons you've learned the hard way, or the hacks that save you time and money. These are your treasures. For instance, I realized I could help others streamline their workflows and grow their customer base because I'd already done it for myself in multiple businesses. What's your treasure? Ask yourself, what's the one thing that people always ask about? What problem can you solve that others struggle with? If you're feeling stuck, be sure to grab the free guide in the link below. It's packed with 25 ideas to help you unearth your expertise. Think of it as a treasure map. I've handed you the map. Now go find the treasure. Step 2. It's time to round up your audience. All right, you've got your treasure. Now you need a crew. In the old days, the best blacksmith in town didn't keep his skills a secret. He literally would put his work on display, drawing in a crowd, and show them he was the real deal. That's what lead generation is all about, drawing in the crowd. Start with a lead magnet, something valuable that your audience can't resist. It could be a checklist, a guide, or a simple resource. For example, my free guide. Yes, it is still linked below. And it's a lead magnet. What it does for me is it connects me with people who need what I offer. It's the modern equivalent of putting a sign outside your shop saying, "Expert here." Remember the blacksmith? Your email is your biggest asset. Unlike social media followers, you own that list, and it's your direct line to potential buyers. Step 3, build your funnel, literally your road to riches. Picture this. Someone stumbles across your guide, downloads it, and thinks, "Wow, this is great." What else do they offer? That's where your funnel comes in. Think of your funnel as a well-worn trail your audience follows. They've got their map. They start out with curiosity, and then they end with action. Steve and I don't just hand you a map and wish you luck. We've got pre-built templates that make setting up your funnel and is almost as easy as pie. Then customize it to match your brand and you're good to go. Step 4. It's time to automate that grind. Remember those medieval contraptions that turned grain into flour with minimal effort? Automation is your modern-day mill. It takes repetitive tasks off your plate so you can focus on the big picture. Like if someone downloads your guide and an email instantly lands in their inbox. A few days later, another email reminds them how you can help. That's automation, and it's all baked right into our platform. Whether you're tech savvy or you feel flustered at the word workflow, we've got you covered. Step 5, craft your digital product. This is where you take the treasure trove of knowledge and package it into something your audience can use. Whether it's an ebook, a course, a workshop, or a membership, the key is to keep it simple and focused on solving a specific problem. For example, if you own a flooring business, you could create a guide and call it something like 5 signs you need a new floor and how to choose the right material. Use tools like Canva to design it. It's free and user-friendly. And host your products on platforms like the one we use. There is a free 14-day trial in the description below. From checking out to automated delivery, you can handle it all in one place. That's really what we love about it. Building a business that works for you isn't just a pipe dream. It's a step-by-step process that starts with what you already know. Here's your step-by-step plan. Identify your expertise and grab the free guide down below for the digital product ideas. Build your audience with a lead magnet. Create a funnel to guide them from interest to action. Automate your workflows to save time. Then package and sell your digital product. Are you ready to take the first step? The trail is waiting, and your journey to smarter business growth begins now. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to leave that special comment about what's one skill that you could turn into a digital product. We can't wait to see what you've chosen. Like and subscribe so I can continue creating useful content. See you soon in the next video.